as countries around the world count the cost of the coronavirus pandemic in human lives and economic damage.
Man had brought the destruction of his environment close to the point of no return. Of course, there was a great deal of rhetoric about saving the earth, but in reality, very little was done.
I suppose it must come as a kind of a surprise. I can imagine what all of you are thinking. But everything's changed. The whole world's changed. 3 days ago.
These niggas is sick, they better get themselves some of the Nack elixir, nigga. This shit is a 100% guaranteed remedy. And it's organic, you know what I mean? Don't fuck with me, dog. Hey, yo, brought shorty to the crib just like homework. Polo shirt, drop drawers, watch go berserk. Soldier slurk, tryna bake cake. I'm on the orange blossom trail at the steak and shake. I'm in Orlando with the mannequins that I can read. I'm in Manhattan at a law school with righteous peace. Yo, life is deep, something like a sequel. White but equal, white and deep. Shit I be flipping, it's twice illegal, man. You better get you some better shit. This shit make your fingers slip. This shit make my fingers stick. Probably that my school bar. Got my people by la rumba. Put the toughest niggas in a tumba. Shit is also coming soon, bro. Baja the dome, I need the blaze. We got the Oreo, peach sticks, keep the cheese safe in the duffel. Police creeping 90 degrees. Reach the season of peace, chief of trees, yo. Let the lawyer deal with the legalese, though. I'm trying to get paid, I'm trying to freestyle on Rosenberg and Ebro easily. I can hit you with a brick like D-ball. You wasting time and trying to shine in places that we glow. I'm busy cashing checks and you're trying to check your ego. Niggas beefing, I got it covered like a gazebo. When I bust a gun, it's just something like a torpedo. Sex on the beach, I be with your big in Montego, nigga.
Fuck time it is, man. Northside shit. Brown bag money. V-Dog. I'm smoking high grade, I'm where the ceiling is. Infinite crime waves, my city villainous. Pull up and violate, these youngins feelingless. Gotta watch who you dealing with. Beamer 7 from 97, Memphis, I'm still in it. Smoke outside of the dealership. Bro said, son, you serve the filth with a smile. You catch the fuel for a mile. I raise the stakes like a child. I bleach the blood off the tiles. I clean the mafia style. They overdosing on the ass. Bunch of bodies and piles. Honey's poured on the plane, and I'm the source of the pain. I feel it course through my veins. I want the fortune, no fame. I dropped the bag on the stable. Now I'm a horse as a train. Through the eye of the storm, topless portion of rain. We've been ahead of our time. Now every second is mine. Son, I was destined to shine. We setting records this time. They was trying to take me out, can't let me enter my prime. I got revenge on my mind. Shit, I've been checking the signs. Now big checks getting signed. That brown bag money.
Yeah, this shit can go any way that I want it to. If I don't get my money in time, I'm killing every one of you. A lot can happen in 9 months, pay attention to how his stomach grew. I'm Thanos, had to snap if a finger crumble you. Put a cease and desist to everything that you wanted to do. My shooter treated like therapy, catch your body, you feel wonderful. Run up in your crib, take 10 bricks downstairs, it was another 2. Outside your son, public school, like where's that dog? I'm on Jeff Hardy, I wasn't a fan of man at all. Nasty nigga, fuck a bitch while I pad on. Adderall, heavy speed talking, yeah. In the middle of a money heist, let's do a peace offering. Coronavirus gotta keep off me, 6 feet away or 6 feet under. He keep his window open when he go to sleep in the summer. Climbing on Friday like Craig and Chris Tucker. That's the scene with Debo drunk, cup and piss puddles. I ain't the type of nigga that'll argue with a bitch looking for fixed rebuttals. You blow up somewhere else when your city love you. Think about the times me and my ex cheated on each other. We was a shitty couple, yeah. I'm the first to do it like Sidney Poitier. You think I'm that nigga now, you should see me at 48. Yeah, bitches' faces still gon' get penetrated, favor for favor. Threw me for a loop like Nicholas Craven. Pay me, blue flame like Hades, I was born in St. E's. With a straight jacket, nigga wanna pay homage, I told him to PayPal it. Yeah, about time she done came through and let me take action. Yo, a nigga like Alexander with the fakes and leave his face cracking. Shit up.
me. I told my sister I'm good, love, just pray for me. I told my sister I'm good, love, just pray. Niggas made excuses, Elcamino made a way. One thing my grandma taught me, get on my knees and pray. If niggas ain't believe in me, they had no faith. I know they regret that shit. Like every single day I'm getting money now. Order for leap when I'm hungry now. I see y'all bum niggas moving funny style. I peep y'all niggas in y'all bummy style. Really think y'all getting money now. I'm out in Miami, me and my bitch smoking big ass blunts with the extender on my hip. I ain't hustled in months, but a nigga still, when that niggas catch them a run it up and be finished. I told my mama I'm good, love, just pray for me. I told my mama I'm good, love, just pray for me. I told my sister I'm good, love, just pray for me. I told my sister I'm good, love, just pray. I told my mama I'm good, love, just pray for me. I told my mama I'm good, love, just pray for me. I told my sister I'm good, love, just pray for me. I told my sister I'm good, love, just pray.
We're gonna get your money.
Well, alright. Yeah. I see this world through beats and rhymes. I keep some lines that require a deep recline in your seat and some thinking time. Just trying to get my life and these dreams to synchronize. Niggas mad that their opinions don't mean we synchronize. We just keep it high as the time between goodbyes. My beam is so mean, even God might blink his eyes. These haters live to see silent links divide. His legacy I leave when a blot of ink gets dry. Just cause they sleep don't mean that we decline. Some people don't binge the show till they reach season 9. It's vibes in this free TV that we provide. All the riders is the pilot, they mileage can't be denied. For them I got unquestionable love, like when the minister looked at Buns and they still gave him a hug. You gotta know I don't do this just because. This is for the love, this is all love. This it's be that shit. Well, alright. Talk is all that I get at you. My lyrical float up, but us go like ceilings do. A spirit still, the beat soulful, but it's spiritual. You feel it though, all the metaphors and the syllables. It's pivotal. Niggas talk shit, but it's digital. It's typical. Never mind the hate that the critics spew. It's minuscule. Be the same dude in my interviews. It's in the booth since KG was a Timberpool. I've been the truth. Smack these rappers out tennis shoes. I'm tempted to lay these niggas down without chemicals. No fentanyl, I'm like Blake Brown meets Pendicule. I'm memorable, a class act, girl, clear your schedule full. I'm telling you, I pull you forth, never backwards, like a magnet. My self-worth has such a clean detachment from status. And you still out here practicing bad habits. Still peeking over to see if the grass matches. I'm too classic. Well, alright.
Oh no, John, can't you just burn around it?
Once it starts like that. Well, I'll ask the guy what else I can put in.
Right. John, why can't we go to Manitoba? Just for a few weeks, until we see how this awful virus thing is going over here. Mother and Father haven't seen the children in 2 years. David was hardly 7, and if it gets any worse, it's much safer.
But I can't go to my building. It's the big one.
They say I'm influential. Influential. Check it. Look, I'm a street fighter. I fight for street niggas. I made more money off this than these niggas. My old G told me ain't nothing, just free, homie. You know, shit just don't be grown on trees, homie. So when you get the Brody, just put it on freeze, nigga. I mean, get the paper and cop you some green, brother. I got real family, nigga. I bleed for him. I keep Two women I'm sexing, I seesaw my look. At the competition, roll me a blunt, I'm blunt. If you niggas want, we can do it for lunch, I eat. I'm also fleeing for the right reason. I might OD if it's the right season. I smoke OG, you got the mic breathing. I work OT, that's time and a half. Used to tell me slow it down, you rhyming too fast. When he spit, it sounded like he chopping bodies in half. Had a dream, I whipped the Aston Martin lot in the back. Small circle, cousin people start plotting your ass aside. Rapping for hire, I got the job. Screaming best rapper alive, but that's a lie. Straight from the Mecca and all here I arrive. Stabbing out the belly of beasts and still alive, I saw. Look how these rappers getting caught in they lies. You in court for your Cuban, or you written your shine. I be shitting on guys, really it's serious times. Time ticking, rent raising, it's a bit in there why. Smoke 50 these lines, 4-5 on my side. She was tied for the doors, say he's sick in his mind. Said I'm sorry that I'm late to the party, that's why I'm black. And it's lights, cameras, and action. The industry full of actors taking so many shots, they nicknaming me Kobe. I bet if you ask about me in Harlem, the niggas know me. Started 0.6, that's my Grammy. 28 grams, that's an Oscar. 16 O's, that's a peace prize. Anything else to have you proper. Started 0.6, that's my Grammy. 28 grams, that's an Oscar. 16 O's, that's a peace prize. Anything else to have you proper.
Truthfully, I only told. Truthfully, ain't told a soul. Looking at myself in the mirror like, fuck it, I'm glad you know. Truthfully, wrote you in the pen. Truthfully, worked out the gym. Team coach, team Marzi. Team teacher, old nigga how to swim. Truthfully, you hurt my pride, but I had to let it ride. I was low trotting outside, but inside I wanted to be inside with you. Posted, making money, making motions. Bold decision, end up crashing, learn, earn wisdom. If not, you're gonna see what the truth is gonna be. I had to lie, look you dead in the eyes, cause it's my family on the line. It's just that time. You're gonna see what it's really gonna be. Look you dead in the eyes. Truthfully, it's that time. Gotta know when and not to. Truthfully, we'll take a shot at you. Truthfully, you're gonna see what the truth is gonna be.
Let that pain break you, or you gonna let that pain turn you to a god. We talk about the game, the we don't hold the same importance. Heroin with thefts and cocaine extortions. Foot on their neck, remain remorseless. Run up a check, sustain your fortunes. All of these late nights, early mornings will give me Ferrari horses for the forest. Niggas can never question my endurance. I can grind for this. I'm ready, I'm willing, I'm designed for this. The stats is on ad, no minuses. Feel me? Really, what's the dilly? What the science is? The ones that be the killers be the quietest. We just resorting to violence. There's no time for this. I am not forming no new alliances, and everyone dying as long as I exist. Just as soon as I promote my slang, it's took, I turn wolf and gotta show my thing. And all I need is a look because I know my range. It's easier put, I unload what I aim. Heat is blowing, seize the moment. RIP opponents, just sending team condolence. Keeping focused enemies, keep them closest. The D-explosive in it can keep us potent. This the fruit of me putting the hard work in niggas PG. see me, I'm the rated R version. Just thanking God, cause it can all worsen. Fuck it, get a nigga off, carry the large burden. Counting money that made us grow up, they owe us. New kings coming to hold the throne up. Brushing the waves in my low cut. Just giving these niggas game, make us soak up. Now when niggas stand up instead of front, the food from my plate fed them some. Had to toss the blicker, but a real nigga had an extra one. It's rubber gloves, putting lead in one. I be in the slums, you don't never come. I don't know none had a better one. Niggas can't shine standing next to sun. I be on my grind, a forever one. Everything said and done, 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 said and done.
No blade of grass grows.
And unfortunately, the low-income urban centers happens to be populated by black and brown people.
To cope with the expected peak, they're converting this convention centre into a makeshift hospital. And here, just as everywhere, it's the Med bracing itself for the worst to come.
Joy when waves wash the shore.
Has been just devastating. It's so shocking.
We are nowhere near the end of COVID-19 in the state of Michigan. And we know that we are in for a tough 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks here in front of us.
There are now more than 17,000 cases in Michigan, and by far the hardest hit city is Detroit, accounting for nearly half of the state's more than 700 deaths.
My objective is to make a piece of work that you as proud as you can. You know,
it don't matter, like, this shit gotta make sense. Like all the way. TCP. Yeah. Let me talk to him. Hey, yo. Let me find out you waiting for niggas to save you. You know better, get some money, then niggas gon' blame you. What a shame if you lame, then niggas gon' game you. Said you lose everything, but you be the same you. I'm not insane, I just know what the gang do. You will too, in due time, remain true. Money green beam, a new chain when I came through. I saw niggas' true colors change the same hue. Nevertheless, I rock Adidas human. 100 heifers like I'm Hugh Hefner. I'm only human, but in rap I'm extra. Supernatural, a woven texture. Wave the tech like it's tech support. I ain't waiving no fees for niggas. I did enough favors, D-Way looking nigga, my face famous. Never forsake your namesake for heaven's sakes. Nameless, in bad company, I gotta say this. Certain traits such as jealousy become contagious. Outbreak, I get your whole block quarantined. Call a coroner, hardcore like my core beliefs. My bitch a foreigner.
Lately I just keep to myself, it's a lot safer. Can say you was from my hood and we was not neighbors. I like that right there. Yeah, shit is shifting in the air and I can sense it. Since the infant was on the strip in the trenches, I'm a die legend in my city cause I left an imprint. Niggas haters, we fuck they bitches, that's never ended. Some shit I wanna pop cause it's been a minute. I don't know what you niggas thought, I was reinventing. I ain't do it so broke. Brooklyn, I've been on business. Cause when you operate your terms, people show interest. If a nigga owe me, then I'ma go up interest. You can sign the dotted line, just know your intentions. I never made a trill of it, this is no gimmicks. All lyrics, I move as if I don't even know it's trending. I was raised by OGs, couple cold killers. Having Dawn in the lab and we both chemists. They told us that we underground, but these hoes fill us. I be low chillin', open toe slippers. You around shooters, I'm a shooter, you should know the difference. Cause we done cleared niggas blocks and left no witness. 10 toes with the birds like my toes pigeon. Every verse is spoken word cause I'm so vivid. JT was in the streets, mother so religious. Somehow worked out cause I'm so gifted. And I flow different, and I grow digits. And you might learn something if you pay attention.
To ensure the continuance of the Chinese nation. But from the Christian ethic, may we assume then, Sir Charles, that in the unlikely event of a similar famine here, you would call such an action by our government equally logical? It is extremely unlikely that we should be placed in these islands. It is unlikely, Sir Charles. But if the unlikely became reality...